Tuberank Jet 3 Pro full version free, 100% free. Rank YouTube video at first position in 2 easy steps. It's easy way to grow your channel. First of all, if you are new on my channel, please subscribe to my channel and press bell icon for latest update. First, we use VBM video marketing blaster software on video detail, and we find out our keywords from competitors area. Here I have already found my keywords. Download Tuberank Jet 3 Pro full version free download. Here is the keyword title, here is the description, and here is the tags. Now we will try to check these title, keywords and descriptions in the Tuberank Jet 3 Pro and check our ranking position before downloading on YouTube with the help of Tuberank Jet 3 Pro. Copy titles and paste in Tuberank Jet 3 Pro, type keyword area, click on go, and here you can see your competitors. These videos are your competitors video, and here you can check rank difficulty 90% and 5th position ranking difficulty 90%. Let's go to analyzing. Put our video title here and copy our description also from VBM and paste in Tuberank 3 Pro description. Now copy title tags and also paste in Tuberank 3 tags area and delete extra keywords and click on get my access. It's 51%. You can see here, you can see some suggestions from Tuberank 3. You can still extend the title and bit. Please add the keywords in the description. Add the link to your website, Facebook page in the description. Ask the viewers to subscribe to your channel in the description. Please add the keywords in the tags. These are few suggestions from Tuberank Jet 3 to improve your percentage. Now we try to check other keywords that I select for my video. I am going to my Word file. Here I have keywords, title and description for my video. Copy my title and paste in Tuberank Jet 3 Pro, paste and click on go. Here you can see the competitor videos and ranking difficulty analytics, and here you can see some tags, but we are not using these tags. We are using our own title, description and tags. Paste title in video title and now copy description from Word file, copy and paste in description area. Now copy our tags from Word file, copy and now paste in Tuberank 3 selected tags area. Delete extra keywords. Click on get my score. Here you can see 96% success score. This is very good success score. Here one suggestion also available for us, but this is best score to rank our video. Downloading link is given in description. Download Tuberank 3 Jet Pro and enjoy. Thanks for watching my Tech Plus. Subscribe my channel and press bell icon for more notifications.